teddy bear. Make the teddy bear happy.
Sure makes the Marquise happy.
Come on, Mateo. What the? Boom. Oh. You know this is round 2, people.
Fall out of the damn tree. Cool.
What the heck are they doing? Okay, get back to the game. I wasn't. I'm like the best director ever. I should sit down for this crap.
No.
Oh, Marquise put it up there. Come on, tomato. I know you got that potato in you. Woo! Good job, potato.